All right, guys. So if you're watching this video, it's because you finished your cool down and you want to review. All right, so it says, here's a picture that shows one side of a child's wooden block with a semicircle cut out at the bottom. It says, find the area of the side. Explain or show your reasoning. Now, guys, I kind of don't like the way this question is worded. I kind of wish it just would have said, find the area of the wooden block, but that's pretty much basically what they want us to do. But let's just get started. All right. Now, what shape do you see that we can like get an area of the big gist of it? What do you see? What shape do you see? If you guess a rectangle, you are absolutely correct. So you're going to do 9 times 4.5, which 9 times 4.5 is equal to 40, or 9 times 4 5/10 is equal to 40 5/10. Okay, so that is the area of the rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to put area of the rectangle. Okay, and if you guys don't see the rectangle, here's how I saw it. All right, so now we need to find the area of this semicircle. Now, I don't know if you guys can recall this from the lesson, but when we deal with semicircles, the formula looks a bit different compared to the traditional formula, since it's half of a circle. So if this is the formula for a regular circle, what do you think I want to do with this formula since I'm dealing with half of a circle? If you guess divided by 2, you are absolutely correct. Now, we need to determine if this is the diameter or radius. Is 5 a diameter or radius? If you guess that 5 is the diameter, you are absolutely correct. The reason why 5 is still a diameter is because it stretches all the way across the circle, all right? The radius for this semicircle will be 2.5. All right. So now I want to plug in my formula, which my formula would be 3.14, which is the universal pi estimate of pi. Or you could do 22 divided by 7, but that's a whole different story. All right. So I'm exaggerating my multiplication symbol so you don't think it's decimals. And then I'm going to divide my answer by 2. All right, so 3.14 times 2.5 times 2.5. And I want to divide my answer by 2. And when I divide my answer by 2, so let's do this again. Make sure my answer is correct. I should get 9 and 8,125 10,000ths, and the units is centimeters squared, and I forgot to put that at the top. So since this piece is missing from the figure, what operation do you think I want to do? Do you think I want to do addition or subtraction? If you guess subtraction, you are absolutely correct. So we're going to subtract 40 5/10 minus 9 and 8,125, so 40.5 minus 9. And your answer should be 30 and 6,875 10,000ths centimeters squared. Now the book has it to where it's rounded to 30 and 6,800 centimeter squares, and that is totally fine with me. All right. So if you had any issues with completing this or didn't understand the concept of this problem, make sure you visit your manager's Google Meet session. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the test review video.